YouTube, what's going on? The Weekend Gardener out here harvesting, and as you can see, it's close to the end of sweet pea season, so I'm out here getting the last of the sweet peas. I'm assuming that they will be gone in less than 2 weeks, and that's because of the heat, and their time is done. They have given me a lot of peas this year, more than I've ever had before. So with that in mind, I'm going to replant again, possibly in August, because these are more cool weather, early summer, fall type crops. In the heat, these don't stand a chance. Also, what I'm doing too, if you can see, let me find a good one, like this one right here. I'm purposely letting some dry out on the vine. That way I can have my own seeds for next year. I do not have to purchase. Here we go. And I've also heard before that when you harvest your own seeds, they tend to do better in your garden because they are adapted to how you water, how you fertilize, your soil, pH, and everything. That's what I heard. So, is it true or not? Don't really know, but I have been successful regrowing from seed before. So, why not stick to it? It saves money. So, just out here picking these. Had some green beans that I picked. I may do some lettuce. And this is for lunch. Having fish, rice, and probably some of this stuff diced up. And yeah, that'll be today's lunch. Thanks for watching.